Hey there, Brian here, your honest mechanic. In today's video, I will go over the common mistakes people make with car tires. Now, I've been wrenching on cars for over 15 years, and let me tell you, I've seen it all when it comes to tire mishaps. So buckle up and let's get into it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. All right, let's get started. Mistake number 1, ignoring the age of your tires. First up, let's talk about something that catches a lot of people off guard, ignoring the age of your tires. Tires have a shelf life even if they look brand new. The rubber compounds break down over time, leading to reduced performance and increased risk of failure. Scary stuff, right? Check the DOT code on your tire sidewall. The last 4 digits, that's the week and year of manufacture. If your tires are over 6 years old, regardless of tread depth, it's time to seriously consider replacement. And if they're over 10 years, don't even think about it. Replace them, period. Most tire blowouts happen due to this. Moving on to mistake number 2, skipping tire rotations. Look, your front tires wear differently than your rear tires. It's just physics. If you're not rotating them every 5,000 to 8,000 miles, you're throwing money away. Yes, you heard that right. Throwing money away. I once had a customer come in, front tires bald, rear tires looking brand new. He thought he was saving money by not rotating. Guess what? He ended up needing 2 new tires instead of getting another 15,000 miles out of all 4. Don't be that guy. Regular rotations ensure even wear across all 4 tires. It's like rotating your mattress, but way more important. Trust me, your wallet will thank you in the long run. Alright, mistake number 3, not having a portable tire inflator or air compressor. Now, I know what you're thinking. Brian, I've got a spare tire, or I've got roadside assistance. But hold your horses, folks. A portable inflator, it's a game changer. Even if you've got a spare tire, and kudos if you do, a portable inflator is often a better solution. Why, you ask? Well, changing a tire on the side of the road isn't exactly a picnic, is it? It's dangerous, it's dirty, and let's face it, not everyone knows how to do it properly, but with an inflator, you could be back on the road in minutes. Unless you're running on run flats, a portable tire inflator can be a real lifesaver. Now let's talk alignment. Your car is not a shopping cart. It shouldn't pull to one side. If it does, you've got an alignment issue. Ignore it, and you'll be wearing out tires faster than a teenage boy wears out sneakers. Signs to watch for: uneven tire wear, your steering wheel's off-center when driving straight, or your car drifts to one side when you let go of the wheel. Get it checked out. A proper alignment can double your tire life. That's not chump change, folks. Mistake number 5, ignoring tire pressure. This one drives me nuts. Your tires lose about 1 psi every month, and that's if you're lucky. Underinflated tires, you're looking at poor fuel economy, uneven wear, and in worst cases, a blowout. On the flip side, overinflate them, and you're in for a harsh ride and reduced traction. Here's what you do. Get yourself a decent tire pressure gauge. None of those dollar store specials. Check your pressure at least once a month and always before long trips. And for Pete's sake, don't just eyeball it. Your eyes aren't calibrated in PSI. Mistake 6, overloading your vehicle. This one often gets overlooked, but it's serious business. Every tire has a maximum load rating, and exceeding that is dangerous. It leads to overheating, increased risk of blowouts, and poor handling. Not exactly a fun road trip, right? Check your owner's manual for your vehicle's weight limits and pay attention to your tire's load index. And remember, that includes passengers, cargo, and any trailers you're towing. Don't push your luck here. Mistake 7, choosing the wrong tire speed rating. Last but not least, folks, choosing the wrong tire speed rating. This isn't just about how fast you drive, it's about safety and performance. Seriously, every tire has a speed rating. That letter at the end of the size on the sidewall, it tells you the maximum speed the tire can safely handle. Your car was designed with a specific rating in mind, and it's not just for top speed, it's about heat resistance and handling too. Mind-blowing, right? Always check your owner's manual for the recommended speed rating. Stick to that, or go one step higher if you want. But never go lower. It's not about being a speed demon, it's about keeping your ride safe and performing as it should, got it?